Classification of elements and periodicity in properties. Study of elements and their compounds can be made easy by a systematic classification of elements. So different scientists classified the elements. First one is Dobereiner, who classified according to law of triads. That is different groups of 3 elements. He arranged the elements as several groups of 3 elements. But it is applicable only for few elements only. So second scientist called Newlands in 1865 according to law of octaves. Okay. He grouped the elements according to the increasing order of atomic number and different groups of 8 elements. He grouped it as different groups of 8 elements and the properties is repeated after 8 elements. But this is applicable only for up to calcium only. Okay. So, new scientist Dmitri Mendeleev classified according to his periodic law. Mendeleev made the periodic law for the first time. So, according to his periodic law, he classified the elements. And this law states that physical and chemical properties of elements, physical and chemical properties of elements are periodic functions of their atomic masses. Of their atomic masses. Okay, this means that elements are arranged in the increasing order of atomic mass. Elements are arranged in the increasing order of atomic masses. Okay. Increasing order of atomic masses. And the elements with similar properties repeat at regular intervals. Okay. So, those elements which are having the similar properties will repeat again after regular intervals. Now, this according to this periodic law, he made Mendeleev's periodic table. Now, let us discuss Mendeleev's periodic table. Okay. So, Mendeleev's periodic table consists of 9 vertical columns called groups. Okay, and these are numbered from 1 to 8 and 0 group. Okay, then 1 to 7 group is again subdivided into two groups called A and B. Okay, so they are subdivided as 1A, 1B, 2A, 2B, etc. Then group 8 is divided into 3 sets. Each contains 3 elements. Okay, and 0 group is noble gas. 0 group is noble gas. Then next, it contains horizontal rows. These horizontal rows, there are 7 horizontal rows. 7 horizontal rows called as periods. Okay. Now they are numbered from 1 to 7. Okay. Numbered from 1 to 7. Then first group contains 2 elements. Then second and third Group contains 8 elements each. Okay, 8 elements each. Then fourth and fifth group, this period contains 18 elements. Then sixth group contains 32 elements and seventh group is incomplete. Okay, like this the classification of Mendeleev's periodic table. So like this he constructed his table according to the periodic law. Okay, and this table was published in the year 1905. Okay. Merits of Mendeleev's periodic table. First point, study of chemistry made easy and systematic. Because these elements in the chemistry are classified in a systematic and easy manner. Okay. Next, second point is left space in the table. Okay, left space in the table for elements to be discovered. Okay, left space for elements to be discovered. Okay. Example, in the case of aluminium and silicon, under which he made a gap. Okay, gap which can be discovered later and called the name as Eka aluminium and Eka silicon. Eka aluminium and Eka silicon, and he named like this. Okay, and later it was discovered these elements were gallium and germanium. Okay, later these elements were discovered as gallium and germanium. So he left space under this aluminium and silicon, named them as Eka aluminium and Eka silicon. Okay. Next, demerits. What are the demerits? Demerits of Mendeleev's table. It could not justify the position of hydrogen, lanthanides and actinides. It's not justified the position of hydrogen, lanthanides and actinides. Okay. Second point, because the hydrogen resembles alkali metals and halogen. Okay, it resembles like its properties are similar to halogens and alkali metals. So either it can be grouped in group 1 or group 7, and lanthanides were not given proper place. Okay. Next, second point is, in certain pairs of elements like tellurium, certain elements like tellurium and iodine, okay, according to this Mendeleev's periodic table, the elements are arranged according to the increase in atomic mass. Okay, this is not following in the case of tellurium and iodine. Okay, actually iodine will come after tellurium, but actually this the atomic mass of iodine is less than tellurium. So these are some of the demerits of Mendeleev's periodic table.